It's Friday, boys. Yeah. All right, so here's the plan for today. We are gonna go down and grab some dry ice, and we're gonna start chipping away all this sound deadening from inside of his car on the floor pan. Down here, you put your feet, firewall area, transmission tunnel, a little bit back here in the back. Right here, obviously, where the pedestals for the cage is gonna mount down. But before we do that, we're gonna get this 2J off the pallet. We're gonna disconnect the training from the motor, and we're gonna wheel it on inside and get it all covered up. And then put this automatic stuff kind of in the back, or just get it out of the way. So right on, here we go.
Some people will use a symbolism of the relationship of God to the universe, wherein God is, say, brilliant light, only somehow veiled, hiding underneath all these forms that you see as you look around you. But the truth is funnier than that. It is that you are looking right at the brilliant light now, that the experience you are having, which you call ordinary everyday consciousness, pretending you're not it, that experience is exactly the same thing as it. There's no difference at all. And when you find that out, you laugh yourself silly.
Alright guys, we're taking Alex's motor apart a little bit. I'm going to take the twins off of it. That's why it's not a bad idea to take some stuff off and check out the condition of your motor. So I pulled the transmission off, that went all pretty good. Started pulling the twins off and got to this rear inlet for the turbo, and it just started dumping oil out of it. I mean, this thing is, the turbo feels pretty good. Maybe the thing just got laid on its side or something. Oh my god. It just, oh. Dude, that whole compressor housing is completely full of oil. So if you try to start and run that thing without even taking anything as part, you would quickly realize that your turbo doesn't work, or you would start sucking in a shit ton of oil real quick. So we're ditching all this anyways. We're doing a big single turbo setup, but I thought I'd show you guys what's up.
The gods fled for the treetops long ago, when instead was a forest of green, beyond all imagination. And then an ocean so blue, so deep it would seem to swallow all of creation. And if I had the power to rewind these years and travel back through the ages, I'd watch the story unfold through a river of tears as I'm gonna rewrite these pages.
Alright, I got the charge and intake pipes off of the turbo system, right sitting above the exhaust manifold. Pulled those off, linked down into the compressor housings, and those things are chooched full of fucking oil, like gnarly, completely full. So yeah, that's not good. I'm no mechanic, but that's not good.